If you're a coach and you still think writing content has to take hours, you're doing it wrong. Because the truth is, most of you are spending time overthinking and being a perfectionist rather than understanding how SEO works and really focusing on building your business. And I'm going to show you how. My name is Don Markland. I've worked with over 2,000 coaches all over the world, helping them build their practices and scale. And we do this at Numi.com, where I'm the co-CEO. And I'm going to teach you here how to actually use AI to build a content piece in under 15 minutes. No joke. In this video, you're going to learn how to write a blog that is high value SEO enriched in under 15 minutes. Even if you hate writing, this is going to work, and I'm going to show you how to do it. And if you're a Numi member, I'm going to show you how to do it on our blog, which you get access to, which is connected to all the wonderful parts of the web. This is going to give you more visibility than anywhere else on earth. So let's jump in. Now, let's be honest. Most coaches really struggle because you want to be a great writer. You love writing, but you're a perfectionist and you don't know how to write for Google, for the internet. And that's really important. You want to understand that there's a big difference between writing for Google and SEO and writing great copy and writing your novel and writing for books. And so remember, it's more important about rhythm, consistency, and SEO rich than this creative writing mechanism that you probably love and feel. And it's important to let that go. This isn't about perfection. This is about volume and consistency. And there is power in your undeniable authority. There is power in writing good content. It can't be garbage. You need to use good content to do that. I'm going to show you how to do that. But the real key is using AI to help you manipulate it the right way. And I'll supply you with a few prompts that we've taken hours to perfect, so you know exactly how to manipulate things really, really quickly, cut out all the fluff and all the massive amounts of time, and you can produce content at scale. So with that, let's jump in, and I'm going to show you how to do this in under 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm going to now show you firsthand how to generate this content in under 15 minutes. First, I'm going to go to this site, trends.google.com. I want to find out what's trending now. Now, I'm a business coach, and so I'm going to show you this from the perspective of a business coach, but this could apply to any other coaches. Coming here, I searched over to business and finance. I want to find some trending topics, and I found Medicare 2026 premiums because it's a big topic right now. I found this article, and I want to know about this and how it's going to impact families, right? So I'm going to take this article. I'm going to go to ChatGPT. I'm going to say, read this article from the perspective of a business coach. Tell me 5 impacts it can have for small businesses. Okay? Because it's important. I don't want to just regurgitate what maybe AI or ChatGPT is going to say. I want to make sure I have a strong opinion about this. So I always like to have AI help me do the analysis, and then I can agree or disagree with this. And I will go through and read this content. And for the sake of this video, let's say I like all of that content there. Let's say I like all of that. Okay. Wonderful. Now I've got this little simple prompt here, which I'll provide in the notes. I'm going to copy, move over here, and it's going to have me take this entire link here and put it right here. And now it's going to have me do some important keywords. These are keywords that I want to enrich into my our article, right? So I'm going to do things that are important that were part of the trending keywords. Medicare 2026 premiums would for sure be one of them. Medicare 2026 premiums small business owners, business coaching. Okay. Now it's got some other information about my company here. Now here's my core. What do I want the core of my article to be? My core is going to be how Medicare 2026 premiums impact small business owners. The hook: in the era of Trump, with the twist and the era of AI, because AI is always fun. Okay, now I'm going to hit enter. We'll see what ChatGPT comes back with. Great, now it's producing this content. Very good. Now I've got this next prompt here. And I like to go very methodically on the prompts. This one now takes it even further to structure the entire blog article. And while it's doing that, I'll get my next one ready. Good. Now while it's doing that, now this prompt, you can see it's massive, because it has all of these AI words that we want to ban and avoid in any of our writing. We want to eliminate it. So I copy it. I paste that here. And now it's going to start to give us our first draft. And then here's my next one, where it's going to eliminate EM dashes, give us a CTA. Just for time check, we're still sitting around 8 minutes. Beautiful. This is exactly what we want. And while it's writing, one of the things that's so important is to get this type of content out while it's relevant. And this is trending. And so I want to take advantage of things that are trending, because it's so important to take advantage of that traffic and show that I'm dialed into the zeitgeist. And another point here is, here in just a few minutes, we'll be almost done. By no means would I tell you to just copy and paste this onto your site. Read it, make sure that you stand by everything that it says, that you edit it, that it's your voice, your tone, your style. No one should just be copying and pasting. I'm going to paste this next one. This eliminates M dashes, does some formatting, adds more depth to the whole blog itself. And then these little pieces here, these little extra prompts we have, are ways to get information for WordPress we use to get all of the right coding for WordPress. We use a little free tool, not a free tool, we pay for this so that we can get images like for our thumbnails and things like that, which we can talk about on other videos. Now, while this is doing that, one of the things that are important for all of your articles is to make sure it links to high authority sources. Luckily, I have all those high authority sources here on trending. I can go here and click these 3 articles and connect those. I could literally click this one and this one, and then grab these links and make sure they're connected here to my article in different ways. And now I've got that. Now, I would also tell you, once you've edited it and done a couple of cleanups and pasted it to your WordPress site or your blog site, make sure you do internal linking to other sites as well to do very good SEO. And it's that simple. And we're at, it's not all the way done here. I want to make sure we do good work. I don't want to cheat you in any way. But from start to finish, from my very first Google search until this got done, I am at, there's my little CTA. I am at 12 minutes and 25 seconds. All right, you're back. That was it. If you notice, that was 10 minutes. Then there would be some revisions, some edits before I published it. You can do that at scale, I promise. And if you're thinking I can do 1 blog a month or 2 blogs a month, in the day of AI, you cannot do that. You have to be publishing content on a regular basis, if not every day, just to be relevant. So step up your game, use the tools in front of you, just like I taught you, and you can get traffic to your website and you can grow your practice. I promise. This was helpful. Please like, subscribe, leave comments. I will send you all the prompts that I used if you want them so you can build your practice. Go to newme.com and get your free listing. And as always, continue to follow the channel and I'll help you grow your coaching practice 1 client at a time.